Hello everybody, my name is Markipler. Now you might have seen that I'm apparently exiled, but no I'm not. I made this video right here, you gotta watch that, it's really good. But today, we're making cookies. Now, to make cookies, you need your lazy person cookie mix. Let's just take a look on here. You see that? No you don't, because the camera is stupid. You need cookie mix. So you simply open the cookie mix, and then you realize you should probably preheat the oven to 160 Fahrenheit. Okay, now that the oven's preheated, we pick up the box and we look at the instructions. Stir cookie mix, butter and egg in a large bowl. How much butter do we need? A third cup, 80 grams. That doesn't look like 80 grams. Okay, we're using margarine. We're using margarine, everybody. It's the same stuff. It's butterish, kind of. Okay, we have our bowl for measuring. We have our scales. Turn that up. I might have accidentally hit the camera there. It's really overexposed. Okay, so essentially we need to measure up some ingredients. Here's our scales. Look at that. That's a whopping 0. We need a spoon. I don't have a spoon! Okay, so we need 80 grams of butter. Or butter. 22. Oh wait, maybe half of that? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's a bad idea. Don't lick butter. It's very buttery. Okay, the next step is to grab this. Just chuck the mixture in there. See? See what we're doing? See, everything is fine, people. I'm fine. I'm still signing calendars, still making the content. Everything is fine, people. Everything is fine. I still make Markiplier content. Just crack this egg. Come. Oh no, I got some egg shell. No one will know. No one will know. No one will know. It's fine. It was a really weak egg. I didn't underestimate my strength. It's just a really weak egg. I promise. Okay, we need a spoon. Have a spoon, people. Let's mix this cookie dough together. Just mix it together.
Hey, can I have some cookie dough?
No, Tim. Don't worry, everyone. It's just Tim. Tiny Box Tim being Tim. It's just how he is, you know. It's just everything is fine. Trust me. Trust me, people. I am the real Markiplier. Trust me. Let's take a little test time. Yep, that tastes like cookies. Now you're wrong. The next step is to grab your tray. Oh no. You're gonna grab the tray. You need to line it with baking paper. Where is the there it is, baking paper. You grab some baking paper and you line the trays. And then you get the, wait no, you grab the cooking spray, yeah. Cooking spray, just spray it down. Now we grab our cookie and we just put a little cookie on the there. See, we're just making cookies. Everything is fine. We're just making cookies. Just making cookies. Isn't that right, Tiny Box Tim?
Yes, just do your job.
Yeah. Don't mind my voice, it's just nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. I'm just a bit sick, under the weather, you know? Just everything is fine and I'm making content and signing calendars. I promise. Just the regular old Markiplier. Everything is fine. Delete! Nothing happened. put some cookies in the oven. Tray number 2. Let's go. I'll grab some more spray and we'll spray that down. Don't do much frosting. Don't crush me, Tim. I'm doing much frosting. Okay, we'll just grab some more cookie dough and put the cookie dough in there. It's fine. Everything's fine, people. I'm just making some quality content. I'm Markipler. See? I'm even wearing my famous shirt. My Markiplier red flannel. See? So I'll put our next batch of cookies in the oven. Yeah, there we go. Cookies in the oven. That's how we bake with Markiplier. Okay, on the next step, making Markiplier cookies is to just get the leftover dough that you didn't mash up into a cookie and just eat it. Oh, what's that? You want some, Tim? Here you go, Tim. Okay, everybody, the cookies are ready. Let's get the cookies out the oven.
Can I have some?
No, Tim, you can't have a cookie yet. It's too hot. Got the cookies. You want to see the cookies, people? Let's look at the cookies. Look, everyone, here's some cookies made by yours truly, Mr. Markiplier, and there you go. Oh, you want a different angle? Well, here you go, people. Look at those cookies, people. Who thought I couldn't make food, you say? Look at that. I gotta block off the light so it's exposed. But like, look at that. Look at that, cookies. I made cookies. Markiplier made cookies. Let's eat cookies, shall we? You know what we need to eat cookies? We need some milk and we need some... Oh. We need some milk. Yeah. There we go, people. I just need to grab the cookie. Tim, do not... Look, you see this boy right here? This Tim? Tim thinks that I just warned him that they were too hot. Crazy boy, Tim. Bottoms up, right? Come on. Just dump the cookie and then... It's really good, but it hurts. Thanks, everybody. So it's a Markiplier made cookie. If you want to see more Markiplier content, subscribe to my Markiplier channel. Yes.